Well, I figured out the proper way to disassemble the traction control switch. You're not going to believe what I found. Here's the switch. Here's the rubber that gets pushed when you push in the button. Here's what I found underneath the rubber pad. 2 pieces of black electrical tape covering over the contacts so they won't work. You can see inside, see those gold little things inside the rubber? That's designed to create the circuit that makes the traction control turn on and off. Somebody put electrical tape over the contacts. Unfreaking real.